Right, guys, we are right in Sunnyside. When you get to this bridge here, it's a sewerage bridge, then you know we are in Sunnyside. So I'm just going to be showing you around. Let's see what Sunnyside has got for us today. We are in Sunnyside, guys.
One day with this guy, so long gone. Bad boy.
Is it all to what? Chicken. Check. Wow, that name.
You see this one? Yeah.
Right, guys, we are just walking right here in Sunnyside.
Drive it.
Let's try do different sides. Sunnyside here, Sunnyside there, but let me just show you up until somewhere here. Can you see this these flats here? But anyway, let's go this side. How's the pavements here? I don't know. You will let me know in the comments down below. I'm just doing the walking. And there is what do you call this? The ShopRite box. There is a mall right here. What is the name of this mall? Let me just find the name. You guys who stays here, let me know the name of this mall, because I can't see the name. Hey, this guy. Let me just show you very close. That's how it looks. People are enjoying themselves. There's Nando's here as well. Just a glimpse from that entrance. Sunnyside. This is Sunnyside, guys. It's shopping mall, shopping complex. Get to know Sunnyside, guys. This is how it is looking like today, 2026, as we are shooting this video. I think I've got the right to cross. The robots are working, not bad for the streets. I think these are kind of some residential flats around this area. Looking nice. Great place to be at this moment. Let me show you this other side of the street. I was looking from here. Look, the street, beautiful. And yeah, it is Sunnyside, a crazy Sunnyside. These are all residential flats that you see that are occupied. I don't know if the occupiers not let me say a lot. Right, let's continue. Let's probably go to this other area, this other street, and maybe we just keep on doing the jaywalk. Sunnyside. There is another shop right as we carry on going up there. I think, yeah, let's keep on going up. Just show you the area as it is, guys. Just like the weather. Okay, the robots are working very well and it's allowing me to pass to go. Right, here we go. Right, there is this shop right here. And general practitioner, dentist.
What was it? Very deep. See you tomorrow.
There is a church over that side. What is the name of that? Looks like a Roman Catholic church. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. What is that church? Is this a Muslim church or something? I'm not so sure about it. And over here, there is a garage, shell garage. So you guys who says in Sunnyside, this is your Sunnyside, right? And the people were selling here. It's just amazing. Right on the streets, trying to make a living. It is what it is. Let's go up until that corner and we'll change streets, and then I'll show you the other way, the other side.
That guy. Yeah, that guy. Yeah.